What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month in passive income just by using Google. So this is some easy money you can make, and of course, you're going to have to put in a little bit of work. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. And also, let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. So I'm going to jump into things right away. I'm not going to take up too much of your time, but I can guarantee that when you leave this video, you can go out and you can start to make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month in passive income just by using these easy methods. All right. So the first thing, I'm on Google. We're in our computer right now. And I'm just going to explain to you how this works. And there's a lot of people out there that don't even know about this. And there's people out there who own businesses that don't have time to do social media work. I'm going to show you how you can make it as easy as possible to make passive income just by using these simple methods. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do, you want to find businesses. And when I'm talking about businesses, I'm talking about people who literally don't have time to use social media. So if you have 3, let's say 4 hours per day that you're not using, or if you have 3 to 4 or even 5 hours during your daytime of downtime that you can put work in, this is going to be beneficial for you. You can run social media accounts for massage therapists. I'm talking about nails tech, right? Chiropractor. We're talking about dentists. We're talking about salons. We're talking about barbershops. All these different places, because most times these people are too busy to run social media account. Now, how are you going to outsource these people? How are you going to get in touch with them? Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to find different places, maybe not even in your area, but anywhere in some small towns. So feel free to find different locations. I'm just going to pull up a location right now. So I'm going to type in dentist, right? I'm going to type in dentist. Dentist is going to pop up. Now, if you look through here, there's so many different places on Google that you can find, and you can find people. Now, what I always do, I try to find the ones that are located anywhere down here. I'm not saying that the ones at the top are not that great, but I want to find the ones down here, and I will look at not the big brands. I would just look at, let's say I'm going to find, look at this, Bagley and Goodwin. So I'm just going to click on it and see where it takes me. So now you have the website. Of course, they have a website, which is good. So I'll definitely click on their website just to see what it is. Now, I'm here on the website. The very first thing I want to do is see if they have any social media. So far, they have Google, and they also have Facebook. Now, let's go take a peek and look at their Facebook account to see what it looks like. When was the last time they post? How many people do they have following them? So I'll click on where it says home just to go over here and look and see when was the last time they post on here. How many people are following them? So if you look right here, they only have 191 people following their dental, right? Their dental business. Now, I'm not saying that they don't have a lot of client base, but let's face it, in this day and age, especially 2019 and beyond, shooting this video, if you don't have an online presence, if you have an offline business and you don't have an online presence, my friend, you are losing out on a lot of customers, because there's a lot of people out there that are using these things. They're stuck in it, and this is what they do every single day. So if you can come on here and just see this. All right, so they post a couple days ago from shooting this video. So this is the 23rd. So they are not really active. It seems like they're posting once a week or when they remember. Because if you look on here, they post on the 7th, they post on the 14th, They post on the 21st. So the next time they post is going to be on the 28th. And I'm looking on here and I'm not seeing no engagement. Now, what if you can call them up and just speak with them for a little bit and just find out who's running their social media accounts? Do they have an Instagram account? Do they have, I know they have a Facebook account. Do they have a Twitter account? Do they have any form of that stuff, because it's not located on their website? Now, what you can do, right? Now we're going to do reverse psychology here, right? If this company or this dentistry do not have an Instagram account, I would go on Instagram and figure out if they have a name with this, because it seems like this is their handle. So Bagley Goodwin, right? I would use this and I would find out if Instagram has that account available. Now, I would personally get that account. I would even take their logo, right? And I would start it. Or if you don't want to go to the extreme, it's okay. You can call them up and find out who is running your social media account. Is there anyone managing it? No? All right, so here's the thing. I'm going to give you a proposal. I would love to run your social media account for an entire week. See how it goes and let me know what you think, if you would love to hire me to work for you so I can, get your business up and running and make you have a social media presence. There's a lot of people out there, especially dentists, chiropractor. They don't have time to post all that kind of stuff. And when it comes to having multiple different accounts, let's say this person is willing to let you have a go for an entire week. Now you can ask and find out exactly what do they want. Now you can find some engaging content that will start to get these people start to engage on the page. Because if you look on here, there's no comments, there's no likes. Basically, this page needs a little bit of, revival. It's like dead, to be honest. So if you can come here and you could get going, like start posting questions just to get these people going. Because the more times you post, you're going to start to appear in these people's newsfeed, and then they're going to see it. Maybe you can post, how was your day today? Questions like that, just to start getting your engagement going. And then you can start to post like business related stuff, because I'm sure they're going to be having some specials, some offers that they can come in getting free cleaning, right? And all that type of stuff. So I'm just giving you an example of how everything works, right? So let's say you found this. You want to build a social media account. So I'm going to go back to Google and I'm going to type in, right, nail salon. I'm going to type in nail salon. There's some directions. There's no website. Well, here's one. Transition hair salon. Transitions. So I'll click on here. They have a website, so that is good, right? I would come over here and see if they have any social media. Well, they have Facebook. That's good. So I'll click on their Facebook. Click on their Facebook and then find out what they have to offer, right? And then you come on here. They already have, 750. Go through here and see what they have. Well, they too have very limited action on their Facebook account. Now you can go search for this handle and see if they have an Instagram account. Now, if they don't have it, again, call them up, find out who's the owner of the hair salon. I would love to speak with them. I would love to, control their, of course, you're going to go through several different no's before you get a yes. So you just got to be stepping out of your comfort zone. Step out of your comfort zone, start calling people up, start finding out how you can get business going. Once you find these people, there's different platforms that you can use. There's a platform that's called Later, where you can use to start post your Instagram. If you have an Instagram account, you can connect your account and you can start post it from your desktop if you have it, where you can set it up where you can post at least 3-4 times in a day, so you don't even have to worry about missing out on a specific day. So if you want to take an evening out of the week, maybe on Sundays, you want to get your business set up. If you have like 4 or 5 businesses that are paying you anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a month passive income just by, getting people coming in. So that's all you have to do, because there's people out there that will pay just to get your business started. Now you can go back and you can type in some more busy people like chiropractor, right? Chiropractor, those are the busy people. Now if you come here, so we have Jeffrey here. No reviews on Jeffrey's Google. Jeffrey, I think you could use a little bit of help here. So let's click on here and we go over to Jeffrey. Now Jeffrey is a community chiropractor center. Let's see if he has any Instagram or any Facebook. He has Facebook. He has Twitter. Let's look at Twitter and see what's going on for Twitter here. Well, I have to log in. I'm not logged in right now. But let me just click on his Facebook. Let's face it, everybody now is on Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, you're missing out on a lot. So he sets it up where he doesn't have a Facebook account, but he set it up where if you click on it, you can post and advertise on your Facebook for free. No free ads around here, my friend. No free ads. So again, reach out to these people. Start calling, start dialing. Call them up. Who's running your Instagram account? Who's running your social media? I would love to give you a week or 2 days, 3 days for free. You set up whatever you want to do. I don't know what to say. If you want to go a week without pay, that's okay. If you want to go 3 days, 4 days, just work it out, set it up. But you can reach out to these people, get in touch with them, find out, I would love to run your social media account. And I'm telling you, you'll find people to run their social media account and you can make passive income, 500 to 1,000. So remember, if you, for some reason that they decided, okay, I don't want to use you anymore because I now have the business up and running. Yeah, just give them your account and they can even refer you to other people. You could be like, thank you for your service. Do you have anyone that is interested in my service? Because people talk, business people talk. Hey, hey, Franklin, hey, Jeffrey and Susan, I noticed that your Instagram page or your Facebook page, I can see it because my wife used to do it and she used to run her past company social media account. And a lot of people used to be like, who's running your social media account? I can see it because she spent time on it. Because once you start to post more often and you start to post quality content, people are going to engage. So that way they can put their business on there and it doesn't look like they're only selling. So I hope this video helps. This is how you guys can make, anywhere between $500 to $1,000 passive income with Google. So I just want you to go out and crush it. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the link down below where you guys can make some passive income, $200 to $300 or $500 per day consistently. I would love for you to get on board. So talk to you soon. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.